my gosh, I cannot wait to see and greet Derpy the Elephant. Okay, so, hey, you. Yeah? Why do you have a gun? Oh, duh. Just in case I get mugged.
Oh wait, ninja scenery. Whoa! Hi kid, I'm Derpy the Elephant!
Derpy, I have to touch you! Oh, God, Derpy! Okay, guys, me and Hyperlistic J hope you enjoyed that skit with Derpy the Elephant. Here's the Black Ops versus Zombies gun, and this little bear that actually loves Derpy the Dragon, and this dog. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, or subscribe for more of this content.
Slap that button with your gun.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys all later. Bye!